And when the governor appointed me, it was, boy, a dream come true. And when Chief Justice Jefferson swore me in January, boy, I was flooded with a tremendous sense of destiny and of fulfillment of dreams, and it was just a tremendous feeling.
You want somebody that truly embraces what they're doing, that cares about what they're doing, and because so much of what a judge does involves the welfare of children, it's particularly important to have somebody who truly has a warmth for their job, and Rennie does.
If it's a case involving little children, I can tell it wears heavy on him. If it's a case where it is primarily lawyers in a dispute of a jury trial, it's very invigorating to him. It's challenging mentally, but I can tell the difference when he is very concerned about a little one in a family dispute, or a little one whose very life may be in danger. So yes, I do think he brings it home. He brings home that heavy consideration of the decisions he had to make.
You know, every day I wake up and I think, what a honor it is to be a judge. At the same time, what a sense of responsibility and duty I have. And I take that with me as I go to work every single day. And that's what gives me the motivation and the energy to give it my all of my intellectual ability, all of my legal training, all of my attention, all of my emotion and sense of compassion. And at the end of the day, I have a tremendous satisfaction because I want to, and I feel like I have given the citizens of Bexar County everything they deserve in a judge: fairness, impartiality, and justice.
The experience he brings to the bench is going to be a tremendous asset, and it necessarily is going to mean that he's going to build on these skills he has of being methodical and analytical. It's a problem-solving job. You combine that with the fairness that I know he understands and lives by. He's going to be a good judge.
He is among the more personable lawyers that I've ever known. He possesses one of the best legal minds that I've ever had the pleasure to work with. He's truly left a void here at this firm.
Well, one of the things that I think that I bring to the bench from my 15 years of experience as a civil litigator is, you know, I bring a passion for the law. I want to apply the law, you know, as it's written by the legislature. I'm not interested certainly in legislating from the bench or really inserting my particular opinions on cases. So I want to scrupulously follow the law, but I also want to encompass, you know, a sense of judicial compassion for the cases. I've been in the position where these litigators are. And the third thing is just a seasoned level of experience. In the last 15 years, since I've practiced both plaintiffs and defense, you know, I understand the perspective of the lawyers. In the family law context, I've been a trained mediator for the last 6 years, and so I understand the types of dynamics that family law cases have and the high emotional component that family law cases have. So that is something that I think I bring perhaps a unique combination of that set of skills to the bench.
He understands people sometimes need a judge or a jury to help them to resolve something, and he loves being a part of it. And I think if you love being a part of that, I think we all benefit. It inures to the benefit of all of us, not just the litigants in a case, but to all of us in society as a whole. And he does love it. He wakes up every morning just engaged, ready to go and do this. And I think that's wonderful. I want every judge in Bexar County to want to embrace their day that way, and he does. He loves it.
You know, when I was in law school, I was just fascinated with the legal principles and how everything fits together in a unified view of the law. And, you know, I reflected on what my dad told me: always pursue your education. Then, as I progressed through law school, I became thrilled with courtroom law, and I wanted to be a courtroom lawyer. And, you know, back then, being a judge was only a dream, and now it's come true. And, you know, what a great nation this is, where, you know, a humble immigrant or the son of an immigrant can set very high goals that seem unrealistic, but yet they can be achieved. And I thought, what a great country. What a wonderful story of coming to America and fulfilling hopes and dreams.